How to use Glassdoor to find and apply for jobs. So if you want to use Glassdoor to find and apply for jobs, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, just simply search for Glassdoor and then log into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, you need to go with the jobs section, which will be in the top, and you will be redirected to the jobs index of Glassdoor. So here you can simply search for any job. Let's say I'm going to search for a call center representative. So search for it and click on that call center representative and then select your desired state or city. After that, the Glassdoor jobs interface will load itself and there will be numerous jobs that you can apply for. You can see the ratings over there. You'll be able to apply on it. Here on the left side, you will have the ratings. You'll have your desired minimum salary. You can enter that and then select annually, monthly, or hourly and go with next, and you will have more customized search. If you click on some of the sites, then it will simply redirect you to the official website of the job. Let's say, for example, if you click on this, it will redirect you to the official website, which is right here. After that, they'll ask you to submit the application on another website, and there you can simply apply for the job. But some of the jobs, you'll be able to see that you can apply for them on Glassdoor itself. So it's that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.